Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the driver. This is search button. Then you enter your model number of your required Gigabyte B760M space E and then hit enter. Then click on product. After find out the motherboard 760ME. If not getting here, lot of motherboards showing, so no worry, you just copy and then enter in the Google search box Gi- Gigabyte and model number. Then you can see this is first. Click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 11. So both operating system installation same. Then you can see this audio driver and this is size. Just click to download. When you click to downloading, it will start downloading. I already downloaded, you can see here 165. Just single click to open. Then it is open. After that, just double click. And then click on yes. After that, this is extracting. Now this is installed. Then it is close automatic, means this is installed. Then close it. Slow down, you can see chipset driver. So first install Intel serial driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. After you can see this is completed, then open it. then double click to launch, then click on yes for the administrator access to installation. Now this is installing. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to install. Okay, then automatically close means this is installed, and then close it. Scroll down and install this one, Intel INF installations. Just click to download and then click to open, and then double click and then yes. Install INF update. So it is closed automatically means this is installed, and close it. LAN driver, same, just click to run down. This is 10 MB and click to open. After click to download, it will start downloading here. Okay, and just complete it, open and double click to launch. And then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So same, LAN driver, it is closed when install. After the install, so this is install. Visual driver, this is graphic driver. You can see this is size, and just click to download. When you click to download, on the start downloading in the download box. So I download it, just open it. After that, double click to launch. So same guys, just double click and then administrator rights, then next to install, and after that restart your system. Thank you.